becoming a day trader was one of the worst decisions I made as a trading beginner. In this video, I'll share with you my failure story, and finally, I'll share with you what helped me to become a better trader. The goal of this video is to help you avoid my early trading mistakes and help you find trading success faster. Hi, my name is Dennis, and on this channel, I share content to help you master trading, achieve financial freedom, so that you can live a life of purpose, impact, and fulfillment. So to begin with, what even is day trading? So day trading is a trading strategy in which traders buy and sell securities within a single trading day with the goal of making profits from the price fluctuations of those particular securities. So in general, day trading is ideally trading financial markets, but then the focus of a day trader is not to hold any particular trade that they are found for more than a day. So they never hold their trades overnight. So I might open a trade, let's say for example, at 3 p.m. and by let's say 3:30 I've closed it, or before the end of the trading day I actually close it. So it's usually very, very short term in terms of its time horizon. So when you get into trading, this is usually the first thing that usually people hear about even when they get into trading, about how people say that they are making money each and every other day. So if the popular thing being talked about online is day trading, then what is really bad about day trading? To understand this, I'll share with you my experience with day trading. So way back in 2013, I was actually working at a bank as a customer service agent. And I had worked for about 3 years, and I was actually frustrated by how much money I was actually making, because I was seeing that this salary can't really help me to be able to scale to the goals and dreams that I actually wanted. So I was doing several kinds of online business opportunities till on August of 2013, I was introduced into Forex trading. And when I was introduced into it, I was fascinated by it, by how easy it seemed that I could open a trading account on my phone, make a few decisions, and actually make money straight from my phone. So when I saw that, I decided that trading was actually going to be the thing that I was going to focus on to be able to quit my job and become financially free. So I dropped most of the other ventures I was actually doing and said that trading is what I was going to focus on because it seemed easy. I just see a chart going up and buy and sell. So, but then the challenge was, since I was employed and I was working at the normal hours, 8 to 5, I was missing a lot of trading opportunities each and every other day. And this was because as a day trader, like for example, there are certain hours that are usually very good to be able to trade. Like for example, there's a time called the London session when the London market is open, and then there's the US session, and then there's the mix in between. Unfortunately, most of those particular best hours was the busiest times in my office. I couldn't actually be able to trade from my desk, because if I was caught trading from my desk, it would be a problem and I might lose my job. So I got an idea. And what was the idea? The idea was I could actually use my phone to actually trade in between my breaks. So like for example, when I was actually during my lunch break, I could open my phone, see the market is going up, place a buy trade, or is going down, let me put a sell trade. Or I remember this scenario, I was actually going, whenever I would go, let's say, to take to my supervisor at the back office, I wanted them, let's say for example, to put a signature on a document or to authorize a transaction. Whenever they were doing what they were doing, like the work that I was asking them to do for me, I would actually be on my phone and placing trades and saying, oh, this trade actually worked out. Oh, this is a very good opportunity. So you would think maybe, like for example, I'm chatting on my phone, but I was actually placing trades. So and then in the evenings around 5, I would rush. I would not go home. So I would open my computer, because I know now that our work is done, I can be able to look at the market, because the US session actually opened just when I was actually closing hours during my bank job. So unfortunately, as I was doing all this trading from my phone, hurrying around, trading between breaks and trying to get as many trades as possible, based on some of the strategies I was learning online, unfortunately, I blew up my account, and not just one, actually 2 accounts. So my first month, I remember I deposited, it was $100. I lost, I think, 80 or so percent of it the first month, actually 50% of it. Then I couldn't be able to really open big trades. So I decided I'll deposit another $100. My second and third month, I lost it again. So within 3 months, I'd actually traded about 71 trades, and I lost 92% of everything that I had deposited. And I was really angry with myself. So what was really the problem with day trading is what I was actually doing at that particular moment. and as a trading beginner, why I believe that day trading is actually a bad thing for you to be able to get into. The first reason is, with day trading, the focus is actually trading many trades each and every other day. And the problem with that, because to be able to get those trades, you need to go into what are called lower time frames, like 5-minute time frame on the chart, 30-minute time frame. These are time frames that, for example, it shows you like price movement over very short periods, like 5 minutes, 10, 1 minute. So because of that, you will find many trading opportunities to be able to enter, but these trading opportunities are low probability trades. So they are not usually good opportunities to be able to make a profit. So the focus of day trading is usually that you will actually make money over a large series of trades to be able to be profitable. So you need to be able to weather the very many losing trades that you will have to really turn out profitable. The other bad thing about day trading is that it requires a large time commitment. So with day trading, even what you might see online, if someone is genuine enough, they'll actually tell you that you actually need almost a whole working day to be able to become a good trader, because day trading is focused on trading during certain peak hours. So, example, the London session, the London session, the London to US session, and then the US session at the end. So trading through these particular hours, they'll actually be several hours. So usually between 4 to 8 hours. So if you actually look into this, you'll actually see those 4 to 8 hours, you might actually be employed. So you're actually busy in your workplace, or you might be a student in university or so. So for example, you are still in school, so you can't really be able to trade. Or depending on your time zone, for some people, it may be, for example, too early to be able to wake up to be able to trade. So a bad thing with day trading is that you can't really be able to fit it easily into your life unless you actually are, for example, you don't have another work commitment during the most of your day. So that's another bad thing about day trading. The other reason why day trading is also bad, especially for trading beginners, is it incurs high trading costs. So what does this mean? So in trading, usually there are different kinds of costs, but the cost that usually most day traders will actually face a lot is what is called spread fees. This is usually the difference between the buying and selling price that a broker will actually offer you. So it will be between, let's say, sometimes 3 pips, 3 pips, 5 pips, depending on the market that you are trading. So this represents a certain dollar amounts depending on the size of your trade. So as a day trader, since you are entering many trades, so like for example, let's say if you are entering, let's say conservatively, let's say 20 trades in a day, and you are trading a pair that, let's say, has a 3 pip spread, then 20 times 3, you spend 60 pips as your trading cost for just one day. Multiply that over a week, that is at 300 pips. Over a month, over a year, your trading costs begin to compound. So if you combine high trading cost with low probability trades plus the need for high commitment, you'll find it becomes more and more difficult for a trading beginner to really become profitable as a day trader. Even if you start getting profitable trades, your trading costs over the last let's say for example, last few months, will actually reduce your net profit at the very end. The other reason why day trading is bad is it has a high risk of blowing up. As a trading beginner, if you choose day trading as what you'll start with and what you learn with, you actually have a higher probability of blowing up your account than someone who chooses another path towards trading. So why exactly then is it higher risk? This is because of the other features of day trades that we've been talking about. One, there are very many, you will be trading low probability trades over shorter time frames. So you are trading low probability trades, you are trading many trades every other day. So that if, for example, like with the example I gave, if you are trading, let's say 20 trades per day, and one reason for another, let's say, for example, you hit a losing streak, just worst case scenario, let's say you lose the 20 trades in a row, you're already down 20% in just one day. And some day traders usually even trade many more trades than even just 20. So because you're trading more trades, you have a high likelihood of blowing up once you hit a series of losing trades. So if day trading is this bad, then what really helped me to become profitable as a trader, and what I believe every trading beginner should focus on rather than day trading, before I share with you that particular solution, I'd like to give you a free training that will actually be able to give you clarity and a step-by-step plan on how you can be able to make a realistic income through trading. It's called the Trading for Financial Freedom Workshop. So if you're looking to create another income stream in your life, then trading is a good option to be able to consider. But how you go about it is very, very important. And that's the reason why I created this particular free training that can be able to guide you on the 3 paths to financial freedom through trading. So there are 3 ways in which you can be able to become financially free through trading. So by understanding those 3 paths, then you can be able to have clarity on what to focus on and be able to know what is really possible. The next thing that you'll be able to learn is how much money can you realistically make in trading. So online, you'll see a lot of people talking about showing, for example, their Lamborghinis or their houses or Rolexes, and all this, they could either be true or they could actually just be rented cars and houses just to be able to dissuade you. But how much money can you really make in trading? So depending on the path that you choose, you'll be able to have different opportunities and different levels of income that you'll be able to achieve. So you'll be able to learn as well in this particular workshop how much is really possible so that you can get into trading with the right expectations. The next thing that I'll be sharing with you is the exact resources and tools that you need to be able to find success in trading. So if you don't use the correct tools, then you'll find it more and more difficult for you to find success in trading. So I'll share with you the exact tools and resources that I use to be able to trade and find success in trading. And then you'll also learn the 3 steps that you need to be able to take before you start live trading. Most people, when they get into trading, they want to make money very, very fast. But there are 3 key steps that you need to be able to follow for you to be able to find success in trading. So you might have already started trading, you might even have already started trading live. So these 3 steps will help you to understand, have I really done all these 3 steps? Am I really qualified and ready to start live trading? So this is a very important thing that you learn in this workshop, and much, much more that I've condensed in an half an hour training session that you'll actually be able to learn and be able to get clarity and a step-by-step plan on how you can be able to make realistic income in trading. So if that would be of interest to you, you can visit my website at denniskirui.com/YT to be able to sign up for it for free, and you will receive it via email, or you can actually be able to check out the link in the description of this particular video or in the pinned comment. So this is training that would have really benefited me while I was actually starting my trading journey. And I believe it will help you greatly if you actually go through it. It is my free gift to you, so check it out. So what then is the better option if day trading is not the best option for trading beginners? So the best option that I found was swing trading. So swing trading is another form of trading that actually is best suited for those who are either employed, have school that they need to go to, have another business on this that they have, and they want to be able to get into trading. Swing trading is the best option. But then what then is swing trading as compared to day trading? So swing trading is ideally a trading strategy that involves holding positions for a period of several days to several weeks in an effort to profit from short-term price movements. So the key thing, based on even what I've underlined here, is the holding period. The difference between the 2 kinds of traders is how long they hold their trades and how they actually approach trading. So the key thing is, while a day trader will only focus on not holding a trade for more than a day, others would even say not even more than an hour. With a swing trader, the focus is actually holding on to trades for longer than a day. So you might have some trades that take 3 days. Like for myself, I have trades that take 3 days. Other trades that, for example, take even a whole month to be able to play out. So usually hold trades for a longer period of time. But then what are then the benefits of being a swing trader that make it ideal and the best option for you when you're actually looking into trading? The first benefit is swing trading focuses on high probability trades. So what does this mean? With swing trading, you won't be focusing on lower time frames like 1 minute, 5-minute chart time frame, whereby you're seeing price movements moving very fast over a very short time period. Your focus will be on higher time frame charts, like for example the daily chart, of which entry signals in that particular time frame have a higher likelihood of panning out and becoming profitable and having a higher win rate than if you trade on lower time frames. So the more you focus on only trading using swing trading on the higher time frame, then you'll improve your profitability, your win rate, and finally you'll become a profitable trader. The other benefit of swing trading is it requires a lower time commitment as compared to day trading. While day trading, you need 4 to 8 hours to really become a successful trader. With swing trading, you only need 15 minutes to 30 minutes a day to be able to analyze the market. So when I was actually still employed and before I actually went into full-time trading, I actually used just to spend about half an hour every other morning. So I would wake up and by around 5:30 to 6 a.m. in the morning, I would analyze my charts, see if there are any trading opportunities. If there are any, I open the trades, place my pending orders. If there are none, I go to work. And right now, these days, I analyze about 15 markets, and it takes me only 15 minutes to be able to analyze all those markets. So it is a very good trading style that you can be able to really incorporate if you have other commitments other than just trading that you'd want to be able to focus on. The other benefit of swing trading is you will incur lower trading cost in general. While with day trading, you are trading very many trades every other day and incurring a lot of cost when it comes to spread fees. With swing trading, your trading cost will be less because you are trading fewer times. Like for example, right now, at a maximum, I think I've traded about, let's say, 7 trades in a month, but mostly it's maybe a trade a week, so maybe 4 trades a month. So if, for example, I'm only trading 4 trades per month, then in terms of pips, if, for example, the spread fees, let's say 3 pips, I'm only paying 12 pips per month in terms of my trading cost, in terms of the spread. Yes, I might pay overnight fees, but because my trades are fewer, my trading costs will generally be lower, and the lower my cost, the higher the probability that I'll be able to make a profit at the very end of a series of trades. So it's a very good benefit that it lowers your trading costs. Then the other key benefit with swing trading is it lowers your risk of blowing up. Most trading beginners, when they get into trading, this is one of the problems that they face, is that they blow up their trading accounts very quickly and very fast. And the main reason is because they are focusing on day trading, trading every single day, trading from their phone, and this causes them to be able to blow up their accounts much faster. But with swing trading, because you're trading fewer trades each and every other month, and you're, let's say, for example, risking 1% per trade, your total risk per month will be very low. So the chance of, let's say, blowing up your account, let's say even losing half your account, you will need to trade about 50 times. 50 times, that might take you a whole year to trade, let's say, 50 trades. This actually reduces your chance of actually blowing up as compared to a day trader. And even though you might be wondering, if I'm only trading 4 trades a month or 50 trades a year, will I really be profitable as a day trader who is trading 500 times a year or 1,000 a year? Yes, you will. And I have proof of that because you're trading fewer trades per year and you're focusing on only the high probability trades, you can be able to make much more each and every other year. And the other reason why you'll actually be profitable as a swing trader as compared to a day trader is because you'll be able to target larger profit targets as compared to a day trader. So if you got started into day trading, then I'll really encourage you to really look into swing trading. Look into trading not from lower time frames, but from higher time frames, because that will help you to really survive in trading and not give up along the way, as I did when I actually lost as a trading beginner. And if you like a step-by-step plan on how you can become a profitable swing trader, then do check out the free training that I shared earlier, the Trading for Financial Freedom Workshop. It will give you a clear plan of what has worked for me, and then you'll be able to choose the path that will work for you. And with clear perspectives of what is possible, then you'll really be able to chart a path that will help you to become a successful trader much faster as compared to if you chose to become a day trader. So click on the link on the description of this particular video or on the pinned comment, or visit my website at denniskirui.com/YT. I believe that training will be amazing for you and really help you in your trading journey. So see you in the next video.